maybe he's past saving?
No one's past saving.
It's going to be a beautiful day here in Sunset Valley. It's nice to have all that summer heat behind it. Still a chance of thunderstorms in the high deserts, but we're looking at temperatures here in the low to mid-70s with clear skies. Friends, don't forget it's inventory clearance time at Calabasas Saddlery, where you can find everything you need for your steed at up to half off. And now back to country music so fresh, you could step in it.
Hey, it's just until we get our feet under us, okay, kiddo? The inside's better.
I used to have one like her. Her name was Bubblegum, but Rascal ate her.
You know, Ripley's had it kind of hard lately, and she needs a mom. Would you like to be her new owner?
Really? I'll keep her safe from Rascal. I promise. Mommy, Mommy, look what I got.
Oh, cute. What do you say?
Thank you.
Welcome to the neighborhood.
Hey, you want to learn to fix a P-trap?
Do I have to?
Gives us a break on the rent. Come on, kiddo, we gotta work together here. It's the only way we're gonna survive. Ow! All right. Lord, we thank you for your provision, no matter how small. We ask you to help us through change, no matter how big.
Amen.
You gonna be okay? I love you.
Attention staff and student leaders. There will be an ASU meeting held in the LGR room right after school. It is time to get to the high school.
So what do you tell a frog that runs in front of the tide?
There will be a show starting at
Tired.
I hate math. Isn't this chemistry? You're new here, aren't you? Is it that obvious?
I like your braids. I'm Lauren.
Mandy.
All right. Good morning. Who can tell me what color this water is?
I hate chemistry, too.
You need to expand your vision. So often our perception is limited by what we think we see. Should we try it again? This class isn't just about equations and periodic tables. It's about transformation.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
All right.
Hey.
Hey.
Let's go over rule number 1 in this class. Don't lick the spoon.
So what, your dad got fired? Yeah, kind of. I mean, the company just downsized. He had to take the person. What about your mom? Did you see Bradley's new haircut?
I didn't think he could get any cuter.
Right. Hey, Bradley, wanna have lunch with us?
Thanks, but we were gonna go eat outside.
Oh, okay.
See you around.
Guys, this is Mandy. Mandy hates chemistry too. Mandy, this is Zoe and Sarah. Zoe has had a crush on Bradley since birth. Yeah, pretty much. So, it's your first day?
Yeah, we just moved.
Oh, where do you live?
We're in temporary housing.
Where?
Over on Riverside.
Oh, you mean the mobile home park. Oh, well, that's nice. Since we all hate chemistry, how about a study group this weekend? At my house.
Come on in. Nice house. Yeah, it's all right. Are your parents home? Occasionally. They're at some event for my dad's law firm. I don't even know. Hey! Hi!
3-year-old Squirt is the newcomer to Washington Field, but of course the favorite is Bella Bob, who wants to make sure everyone knows this is her house.
Is that you? Yep, just moved up to jumpers. My trainer says I'm gonna be great. Ooh, I'm so over it. Boring. You guys, we should do something fun. You guys want to take the quads out? Really? Yeah? Quads? Where's the finish line? We are the finish line.
Nice. Thank you. All right, Mandy, your turn.
Are you sure we're allowed to be out here?
Relax. My dad and I off-road here all the time. Let's see what you got. What's the matter? You don't have fun where you're from? Ready?
Wait, which one's the brake?
Go!
I wonder if Mandy's all right. Come on. I'm sure they're getting along just fine. We are so busted. Is she okay? We've got to get the quad. We can't just leave her there. You want to get busted? Come on, let's go. Get on. I'm coming. Go.
Ooh. Yeah, you got a doozy. What are you doing out here?
I couldn't stop.
What's your name?
Allie.
Well, Allie, you're lucky you didn't kill yourself or one of my horses.
I'm sorry.
Yeah. I'm sure you are. So you want to tell me your real name?
It's Mandy.
Your parents know you're out here?
Yeah. I mean, you're supposed to be studying.
What do you say we give them a call? Let them know what you've learned.
You can't. I mean, it's just my dad, and he's at work.
Well, what's his number?
Please don't call him yet. I'll tell him, I promise. It just has to be in the right way.
Have your dad call me, okay? Otherwise, I'm going to have to call the police.
Andy? It's my girl.
So what happened? I mean, after you bailed on me?
What did you tell that lady?
I told her my name was Sarah.
Shut up.
Relax, I didn't say anything.
So now she knows where you live.
What was I supposed to do?
Have her drop you down the street, wait till she's gone, walk home.
Duh.
It was your idea. You're the one who rammed me off the trail.
I don't like to lose. Do you even know what that place is?
It's a horse ranch, so what?
It's not a ranch, it's a rescue. Just a bunch of worthless horses waiting to die. I just had a horse end up there. Had to have his ear amputated because it got bitten by a fly and the whole thing got infected.
So you just gave him up?
I wasn't going to show a horse with half an ear.
Can you imagine?
It's just as well. Stupid thing wouldn't do anything I wanted it to do anyway. But it's all good. My dad got me a new one. Ow! You're not gonna say anything, right?
Jack Renner,
Hi, Mr. Renner. This is Diane Woodford.
what are you doing?
I hate it here. I want to go home.
You want to tell me what's going on?
They made me. I was ready to go home, but then Zoe wanted to take the quads out, so we went out on trail, but then she rammed me off, and I crashed in this horse place with this lady.
Whoa, slow down. You crashed a what?
A quad runner. We were just messing around. We didn't mean for
Was
anything.
anybody else hurt?
No. Dad, I know. You should probably call her back before she calls the police.
Good morning. Mr. Renner, I'm Diane.
Good morning. How are you?
Morning. I'm Andy.
Hi.
It's over here.
Ouch.
Could have been worse.
Well, first of all, let me say how sorry I am for all of this. What do you think we're looking at?
Well, I'll have to check my records, but we only just built it last year. It was north of $1,000.
For that?
Mandy.
That doesn't even include the equipment.
Well, that's unfortunate. But we'll make it right. Just, things are a little tight right now. We just moved into the area, and I'm just starting a new job.
Well, I suppose there might be another option. Mandy could work it off.
What does that mean?
Well, we've taken in a lot of new horses over the last year. There's a lot to do.
What did you have in mind?
Tuesdays, Thursdays after school, all day Saturday.
I am not giving up my Saturdays to pick up horse poo.
We put $150 a week towards the shed.
That's gonna take like 20 years.
Bradley, come say hi.
Chemistry, right?
This is Mandy. She's the one responsible for the remodel.
Must have been a scary ride. You okay?
Mandy's thinking about helping out around here.
Cool. Want to pet her?
Is this your horse?
Pixie's one of our new rescues. Just showing around the place.
Listen, I really appreciate what you're offering. I just don't want to promise more than she can deliver. Her mom, my wife passed away last year.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
It's been especially hard on Mandy.
You know, I've rescued a lot of horses over the years. They're a little like kids. You never know which ones are going to surprise you. So, what do you think?
Okay.
See? That wasn't so hard.
Guess I'll be seeing you. Come on.
So when do I start?
How about now? That's it. Yeah, try to get underneath it.
Why does it stink so bad?
It's poop, honey. Try not to overthink it.
There you go, Mandy.
Oh, my... Ew. Oh, man.
You missed some.
Dad, stop!
What?
You might want to give her some space.
All right, kiddo, I'll see you later, all right? I'm just going to go post this.
It's not so bad once you get used to it.
I don't want to get used to it. What do you want?
She's just hungry. It's feeding time. Come on, I'll show you how. You're familiar with the quad runner, right?
Ha ha.
Each horse gets about 2 flakes twice a day. Well, come on. It's not gonna load itself.
Ow!
Are you okay?
Fine.
Let me look.
It's nothing.
Let me look. This is not nothing. We need to call 911. Are you feeling faint? Do you need to lie down?
Stop.
Here. Now, you know Pixie. She still answers to Pepper, but we like to give them all new names when they come here. Fresh start, you know? We clean them up, get them healthy, and adopt them out to new homes.
So how did you start working here?
I got caught breaking windows a few years ago. This is part of my community service. After it was over, Diane asked if I wanted a job.
I see Zoe first. I don't think he likes me very much.
Sometimes it just takes a while. I think she was pretty harsh with him.
She told me about his ear.
Yeah, but he pulled through. Didn't you, boy? You're a fighter. There you go.
He kind of looks like he's wearing a tuxedo.
It's actually a pretty good name.
You get Tux? Come on, buddy.
Careful. You can move quick.
Come on. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Sometimes I never recover. Emotionally. You know?
What's with the water?
Sprung another leak.
You seriously couldn't have waited another 5 minutes?
You were in there an hour. Maybe you can help me fix it after dinner.
Toilet handle's busted too, by the way.
Bon appetit.
Ew.
You're welcome to make dinner anytime.
I still have poop under my fingernails.
Stop it.
I can't believe you're making me do this. It's humiliating.
Here. Maybe these will work a little better for you.
Are those Mom's?
Like your boots. Come on. Show you where to dump it.
I think my blisters have blisters.
You know what we call that? Work.
So do you have anyone else to help you out around here?
Well, Bradley's around, and occasionally we get volunteers. But I don't really have the budget for a full staff.
So how do you pay for all this?
We're a nonprofit, so donations mostly. We have a few people who board here, and we make a little on adoption fees, but it all goes back to care for the horses.
Do you live here by yourself?
Yeah. Don't really have any family. Did, but life moves on. These horses are my babies now. Okay, up the ramp and into the bin.
Seriously.
Be careful, though. If you fall in here, we may never find you again. There you go. One more thing you can add to your resume. Now, when you finish all that, you can go help Bradley at the wash rack.
All right, so we use the curry comb to start. Get all the surface dirt before using the hard brush to wipe it all off. Then we'll shampoo them. Gentle circles, okay? Nothing too hard. Nice, just like that.
So, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
Why were you breaking windows?
I was angry. At my dad, mostly. Seemed like nothing I ever did was good enough for him.
Tell me about it.
Your dad seems pretty cool.
We have nothing in common.
Have you tried helping him out with stuff he's into?
What do you mean?
Well, my dad's all into restoring these old radios, right? So one day I just asked if he needed anything. I didn't think I'd like it, you know, just a bunch of old tubes and stuff. But it was actually pretty fun. We built this old ham radio together, and now we talk to people all over the world.
It's really cool.
Yeah, things aren't perfect, but it's helped.
Hey!
I didn't mean to get you, I'm sorry. Oh gosh, okay. It's on.
No. All right.
That it? Yeah. You guys still watch it? Oh. Oh. No.
Who wants to help me turn out tucks? Come on.
So that's his name now?
I like it. It's classy. Lord knows it's been a while since any of us dressed up around here.
So what do you mean by turning out?
Well, when they're in their stalls too long, they get grumpy. Kind of like you. So we let them run free. Gives them a chance to get the wiggles out.
You took his bandage off.
Yeah. Healed up nice. Ho, ho, ho. All right, it's not that bad.
Aren't you ever afraid?
Yeah. Sometimes a dose of fear is useful if it keeps you or the horse from getting hurt. But once you develop a relationship, you build trust, start to have faith in each other. Get the gate? The trick is to let your faith be stronger than your fear. Good. Come on, hold. Oh. There you go.
He's strong.
Yeah. He's got quite a spirit. Okay, you keep an eye on him. I'm gonna go give Bradley a hand. Here. Keep your strength up. A lot of mucking still to do.
You want some? It's okay, it's just an apple. Come on, it's not gonna hurt you. Okay, guess you don't want any.
Hey. She shouldn't be in there.
Wait. Look.
You've had a rough time lately, huh? Oh. I'm sorry, I don't have any more. Maybe next time, okay? Hey, Pushy, I told you I don't have any more. Go run, be free. You're not so mean, are you?
Looks like you made a friend.
I think he just likes the apple.
I think he likes more than that.
And then Finch. Right.
A little up and down and all around, so you don't break. You can give and take. A little push and pull. It's a seesaw. That's the way love goes. That's the way love goes. Bring it on over, you guys. Bring it over. That's the way love goes. That's the way love goes.
You should have seen it, Dad. I climbed on his neck and then he threw me on his back and he just took off.
Listen to you, country girl.
I can't believe Zoe just threw him away. There's something about him, you know? Like, he just gets me.
I'm glad somebody does. Hand me that screwdriver, would you?
Oh, Diane's having an open house in a couple of weeks and she wants you to come.
That's cool. Maybe after work.
Why did we rent this stupid place if it's just falling apart?
Come on, there's nothing here you can't fix. Go ahead, flip that switch. Huh? Ha ha.
Nice one.
Thank you.
It's pretty funny, though. Hey, do we have Mom's old sewing kit anywhere?
I don't know, somewhere you have to look. It's funny, you know, hearing you talk about riding horses. That's how Mom found out she was pregnant with you.
Really?
Yeah. We were on a trail ride in Idaho with some friends. About halfway through, she said she didn't feel so good, so we stopped while the rest of the horses went on. And we were sitting in that meadow, just the two of us, looking out over that valley, just a magnificent sunset. It's perfect. Anyway, we came back, she took the test, and here you are. Of course, you were a little smaller back then.
I really miss her.
Me too, honey. Me too.
You're quiet today. What do you call a female horse after dark? A nightmare. What do racehorses eat? Fast food. That was pretty funny, right?
What do horses eat on their pancakes?
I have no idea.
Maple syrup.
Oh. Oh.
Who's this?
It's Zoe and her dad.
Is that my horse? Yeah, he's doing great.
Hey.
So, you two are hanging out now?
We're just riding.
To where? The glue factory?
Zoe, come on, you don't need to keep making fun of him.
It's not like he can hear me. Oh, well, I guess he heard that.
Zoe, knock it off.
Easy, Tux.
You know his name's Rocky, right?
Not anymore. Come on.
Try not to crash into anything.
Oh, easy boy.
Oh.
Whoa, easy girl.
Are you okay?
What happened?
Nothing.
We ran into Tux's old owner.
She was making fun of his ear.
Oh, honey, I'm sure he wasn't listening. Oh, Mandy, I'm sorry. That was insensitive. Come back.
It's not fair.
Things rarely are.
Just because he's missing an ear doesn't make him worthless.
We're all missing something. Come on. I want to show you something.
Is this you?
Come on.
Who's this?
That's my daughter, Abby Joy. She'd be about your age now.
What happened?
Leukemia happened. She put up a good fight, but it got the best of her. She was 8. I understand a little about what you're going through, Mandy. And I want you to know that you're not alone. I was mad too. Mad at the cancer, mad at God. And I stayed that way for a long time. Until I remembered his plan.
Plan?
That one day my daughter, your mom, and everyone who puts their faith in him will live again. And everything will be fixed.
Even Tux's ear?
Jesus healed the man's ear in the garden. I think he can do the same for Tux. You're wonderful with him. It's like he was sent straight from heaven just for you. Now, I'll make you a deal. You keep working hard around here, and I'll teach you how to ride. I mean, really ride. It's just a local show, but I think it'll be good for both of you.
English is different from Western, so it might take you a bit to get comfortable.
You really think Tux can jump?
Well, he's only 15 hands and not exactly a warm blood, so don't expect too much. And he can get cranky and stubborn and downright dangerous if you don't take good care of him. But treat him right, earn his trust, he'll give you everything he's got.
How about it, Tux? You trust me?
Hands on your hips. We're going to work on your balance. Now stretch. Reach down and touch your left toe. Good. Oh, and your right? Good. Now you're going to communicate with the horse using your legs. Squeeze your heels and take him to a trot. Good. Now I want you to post. Stand up and sit down to the natural rhythm of the horse. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Good. Good. Hands out to your side this time. Find your balance in the trot. Try again. Good. How's that feel? Oh, whoa, whoa.
Can we try that again?
Lead with your eyes. Always be looking ahead. You'll follow. And don't worry about what's behind you. Fix your eyes on what's ahead. Steer with your whole body. Good. That's it. Keep your heels down. Take the pressure off your toes. Try to keep your weight back. Sit into it. What happened?
I just shifted.
You shift, he shifts. So head up, eyes forward, sit into it. Yes, that's it! How do you feel? Better. You look better.
Good boy.
With a little
It's just show and tell, bud. It's nothing to worry about.
Hey, say hello to Pixie's new owners.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
My dad just says I have to keep my grades up.
I hear you're gonna show.
Maybe.
Can't argue with maybe. Come on, let's go. Let's go.
Oh, baby. Look at this one. He's pretty.
He's funny. Can we get him?
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Come on.
Thank you for inviting us. It really meant a lot.
Thanks.
Anytime. Bye. Aw. 3 horses to new homes and not one crying baby. That's a good day. Isn't it great? I made it myself.
Hey,
Hey.
too late to grab a hot dog?
Oh, we're out of hot dogs. We've got lemonade.
Take some of that.
All right.
Thank you. Where's Mandy?
Well, she's finishing up.
Good, right?
Delicious.
Hey.
Hey.
How'd it go?
All the horses are fed and put away. I have to go clean up Pixie stuff.
You want some lemonade?
I'm good, thanks. I'm gonna go clean up before it gets too dark.
I'll help.
Thanks for looking after her.
I'm hardly babysitting, Mr. Renner.
You can call me Jack.
She's been a real help. You should see her on Tux. Oh, she's a quick learner.
Actually, I wanted to talk to you about that.
So do they have to sign some promise or something?
Who?
The people who adopt the horses. Is there like a thing that says they have to take care of them? I mean, not anybody can just take them, right?
Yeah, that's right. Diane usually just checks out where they're gonna be, makes sure there's no weirdness. You can't take it personally when they get adopted.
How can you say that?
It's part of the job.
Don't you care?
Of course I care. That's the point. Yeah, it hurts sometimes. But it's what's best for them.
Listen, I appreciate what you're trying to do for her with the lessons and everything, but we're already in your debt as it is.
Jack, you don't owe me another thing. I mean, she's welcome to work here if she wants to, in exchange for the lessons, but as far as the shed...
Oh, listen, that's very kind, but I pay my debts.
Jack, it's just a shed.
Even so. And this competition? I just don't want to set her up for another disappointment.
Do you know why I call this place Winds of Grace? Because every time I take in one of those horses, all beat up, struggling to make it on their own, they remind me of me. And every now and then, a warm wind blows through here, and I feel God's presence. And I remember, He's in the healing business. And taking care of these horses, I guess, is just my way of being a part of that. Saying thank you. I believe your daughter, she's capable of amazing things. Nice job on the fences, Bradley.
Don't mess them up.
Starting off at 12 inches.
How high is the red one?
That's 3 feet. He's not quite ready for that one yet. Come on, 1 foot. Let's see how he does. There you go. Okay, we'll take it. Tighten up on the reins just a bit. You always want to support the horse. 2 points, heels down. All right. That's okay. That's okay. Keep going, eyes forward. Come on. Look, go soft. He's just learning.
He's nervous.
Takes his cues from you. Come on, why don't you get cleaned up? I want to show you something.
Whoa. She's really good.
Watch her eyes. See, she's already looking ahead to the next spin. The horse can feel that. They want to rise to your expectation. She's pretty advanced, but there are some here who could be your competition.
Come on, let's do it right just once today. Turn. Look up.
Oh, man.
Come around the corner, keep your eyes up. Look at the next fence. 1, 2, 1, 2.
That's Zoe.
Stay there. Counting. Eyes up.
Oh, yeah.
Think about it. Think about
I
it.
remember.
Keep your leg on. Keep your leg on. Keep your leg on.
Whoa, what happened?
It's called a refusal. Counts as a deduction. Same as knocking down a rail.
Zoe, come here. Now.
Oh, she's got Debbie training
Okay,
her.
so what was that all about? That was
She's
your
the real
fault.
deal.
It's not my fault. He didn't go over the fence.
No, you came up to the fence, you dropped your eyes, you took your leg off, and he stopped. Either ride him right or get another horse. Get another trainer. I don't care.
I just got a new horse. You pick this one.
Go do it. Show me you can do it.
Fine.
Go.
Come on.
Huh.
Can we go, please? Hey, did you get those chemistry notes? Yeah, they were really so mad. Hey, you spying on me now? What? What? Don't act so innocent. I totally saw you hiding behind that tree. I was just watching some of the training. Why? Does it matter? I mean, I'm just trying to learn. You planning to show now? I don't know, maybe. On what? The one-eared wonder?
Wait, come on, just leave her alone.
He's a good horse. I guess we'll see what the judges think. If you even have the guts to do it. Come on.
Remember, keep him collected till he's close to the jump. Let him have a good look at it. There you go. All right, canter him through the turn. Left leg, right rein, bend him around. What's going on?
Nothing.
I'm getting a little tired of everything being nothing. You can do this. So can you. Okay, 2 feet this time. Collect him, give him a good look at it. That's it! Great, Mandy. Yes! Yes! Now you're getting the hang of it. Sit into it. Good! Ah, looking great.
What are are you doing here?
You watch me, I watch you.
This is a private lesson, ladies.
No, it's okay.
You sure?
Yeah. We've got nothing to hide.
Hey, let me know if you want to go off-roading sometime.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, Mandy, just like we practiced.
Come on, Mandy.
Woo!
Nice job.
You look like a pro. Not bad. You know I got a new horse, right?
Another one?
Well, this one doesn't refuse. We call her Shadow. She can jump 3 feet now.
Hey, Bradley, raise him up.
No, Mandy, that's not a good idea.
Why not? He can do this. I'm ready.
Let's just give it a little time, okay?
Fine.
Mandy?
Come on, Tux.
Don't!
Whoa, whoa!
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Easy! Easy. Easy.
Oh, get the wind knocked out of you. That's it. Okay. Is anything broken? That was a stupid move.
Diane, you need to take a look at this.
Is he okay?
You should go.
It's not our fault.
Just go.
Come on, Lauren. Mandy? Are you okay? Are you okay? Keep up.
Is he okay?
Hold him here. Don't let him walk on it. I'm going to call the vet.
Okay. You're good. You're good, boy.
What's going on?
Zoe was here. She made me... We had a jump. His leg might be fractured.
Randy.
Dad, I know.
How is he?
Won't know till the x-rays.
Mandy, will you excuse us for a minute? Listen, this is what I was afraid of. Okay, we've already caused you enough grief, and I don't know how many more losses she can take. I don't think it's a good idea for her to continue here. We need to cancel the show.
Jack, she made a mistake. She's learning.
Well, I think she's learned enough.
Okay.
No. Nothing's okay. I feel like nobody's on my side. Zoe keeps ruining everything. My dad's really mad.
You know, when I was arrested, my dad was really mad too. It actually felt good, you know? Like hurting him gave me the upper hand or something. When he picked me up from the station, I could tell he wanted to yell at me. But he never did. Just drove home. Never said a word. The longer he stayed silent, the worse I felt. I blamed him for making me mad. But I realized it was my choice on how to deal with it. It's not like he made me break those windows. Anyway, when we got home, he turned to me and asked, "What kind of man do you want to be? You gonna be the kind who only thinks about himself? Who blames other people for his problems? Or are you gonna make the best of what you've been given and treat others the way you want to be treated?" It's a good question. You know? What kind of person do you want to be?
Lord, please help me be the person you want me to be.
Hey, come on, kiddo. Time to get up. You're gonna be late for school. Mandy, come on. We all just need time to heal.
Can I at least see him?
I don't think it's a good idea.
You were in the hospital every day with Mom.
Mandy, that's different.
Not to me. I know it's my fault, but he's my best friend. I thought if we could do this show, we could prove we're still worth something. Just to finish strong, you know? That's all I wanted. I'm sorry I've been such a brat.
Come here. Come here. Mandy, I love you.
I love you too. Can I come in?
Andy. This is Dr. Brooks.
He's quite a number on his leg there, Miss Mandy. Good news is he didn't break anything.
It's great.
Give me a call if you need anything.
How you doing, boy?
Trust is a fragile thing.
I don't think I've told you how much I appreciate what you've done. I know you didn't have to.
Listen, I'm going to be out of town for a few days. Need to go check on an adoption home for Tux. I was hoping that you and Bradley could keep an eye on things while I'm gone. I'll give you two some time.
Hey, Bunny. I'm really sorry about what happened. You know I never meant for you to get hurt, right? I just wanted to show Zoe what you could do. What we could do. But you're gonna be okay. Aren't you? Yeah. I don't blame you.
At least he's gonna be okay. And you gotta feel good about that.
I hate that I let everyone down. Hey, will you help me with something?
I'd be more than happy to help you.
That'd be awesome, thank you.
Good?
Skipping the day to playing Tennessee. I'm hoping to turn this dream into reality.
I think I can help you with that. Come on.
With those freckles and that smile. If only we could make this day last. Crazy how it's falling so fast. I want to be right and play this again. I never want this day to end.
How do I look?
How do I look? Yeah?
Call 911.
Why?
Clearly aliens have invaded.
Dinner's almost ready.
What planet are you from? And what have you done with my daughter?
Can't I do anything nice without you making a big deal about it?
No.
I fixed the toilet handle, too.
Seriously, where's your spaceship?
I want you to come to the barn tomorrow.
Is Diane back?
That's why I want you to come. Hey, wash your hands.
Go. Phone home.
Hello, Jack.
Welcome back.
Thank you.
How'd it go?
I'm in a nice family.
Listen, I want to apologize for the way I left things. I was pretty harsh on you last time I was here.
It's not easy being a parent, is it?
Close your eyes.
What?
Here you go. Gonna put that on.
What is this?
You just gotta close them.
All right, we're gonna lead you this way.
Where are we going?
Don't
Where are
worry.
you going? Where are you
Two
taking
up
me?
I
to?
can't tell you, just trust me.
Okay.
All right, you ready?
I guess.
1, 2, 3.
What in the world?
Mandy got all the materials donated.
We built it ourselves.
How did you learn to do this?
Watching you.
It's beautiful.
I know that it doesn't make up for what I did, but at least it's a thank you for what you've done.
Somebody approves.
He certainly seems to be back to his old self. What do you say you try him out? See if the two of you get along.
Come on, kiddo.
You got this, Mandy.
There you go.
Oh, she looks really good.
Is he okay?
Yeah, that was me. I don't want him to get hurt again.
All right. Why don't you go cool him down? Make sure he's got plenty of water.
So what do you think?
I love you, Tux. I never meant to hurt you. I promise I'll never do it again. I hope you can forgive me.
That's what I'm talking about.
I don't know, if you ask me. He's ready to show.
What?
What do you say? You want to ride?
Yes. Yes.
Good afternoon and welcome to the Sunset Valley Horse Show, sponsored by American Vision Windows. I'm Darryl Sparkman, and joining me today in the booth is last year's junior equitation champion, AJ Fox.
Thanks, Darryl. Remember, all proceeds from concessions goes towards cancer research, so eat up.
Proud of you, kiddo. Takes courage to get back in the saddle.
Didn't think you were gonna make it. How is he?
Better.
You must be Mandy's dad.
Jack.
Claudia, I'm Zoe's mom. You're gonna cover his ear, right?
I wouldn't trust that horse if I were you. He has a history of acting up.
Well, if there's one thing I've learned, you never know which ones are going to surprise you.
Good luck. Come on, Zoe.
Don't get your hopes up. I still don't like to lose.
Come on. Let's go get your cord.
Thank you, Ryder. Next up is hunters, followed by open jumpers.
Now you're entered into 2 classes, okay? They change the course for each class, so you're gonna have to memorize them beforehand. Do you want me to stay with you?
I'm all right.
All right. Well, we're gonna be over here cheering you on, okay? Go get him.
How's she doing?
She'll be fine if she can get Zoe out of her head.
Next up is rider 246, Zoe Holloway.
Come on, Zoe!
That's a penalty, right?
Not big. She's good.
Nice ride. You looked good.
She was terrible. Totally just fell asleep.
Thank you, Ryder. Next up is rider 235, Mandy Renner.
All right, Mandy!
All right. Good boy. Heels down. High score. Heels down. High score.
Oh, he's rushing it.
Come on, baby.
Come on, boy. Settle down. That's it, boy. Easy, boy.
All right, Mandy. First one to the bug. Woo! Keep your head up.
Nice ride.
Great.
In first place, number 245, Madison Hayes.
You did it!
Yeah, but he knocked a rail over.
Yeah, but you were
In
out there. You
second
looked
place,
great.
number 246, Zoe Holloway.
Congratulations.
Want it?
And in third place for Hunters Over Fences, number 225, Ashton Roosevelt.
Congratulations.
Next up, we have open jumpers.
Hey, jumpers is purely objective. Just jump and time. I'm gonna go grab your polo from the truck.
You be all right? Hey, look at me. I'm proud of you. And I'll bet Mom's up there smiling from ear to ear. Seriously, man, these last several months, I see a spark in you that I haven't seen in a long time. And Tux, Randy, he's got a champion heart. You two can do this. So stay focused. Have faith.
Open jumpers will start at 2 feet 6 inches. Any knockdowns or refusals will result in a 4-fault penalty. First up is rider 246, Zoe Holloway.
Go, Zoe! Go, Zoe!
Come on, Shadow.
Rider 225, please take the course. Rider 225, Ashton Risvold.
Okay, that leaves a little room.
Thank you, Ryder. Next up is Rider 235, Mandy Renner.
Easy, Tux. Don't get nervous. It's okay, boy. Let's straighten it out.
Come on, baby.
That's it. Good boy. We got this. That's it. Keep going.
Some contact. Walk in the rain.
Yeah. Come on, boy. 2 more. Last one. Good boy.
She made it.
We did it.
Barely.
I think they're tied.
We have 2 riders with clean runs. Ladies and gentlemen, we will have a jump off.
A jump off. Mandy, way to go!
Hey, this ain't over yet.
Can't you just be happy for her?
Whatever.
Jump offs are unique here at Sunset Valley. Riders will have 60 seconds to complete the course. Anytime over 60 seconds will be penalized. And the final jump will be raised to 3 feet.
You okay?
I don't think he can jump that high.
First up, Rider 246, Zoe Holloway.
Good luck.
They both jump clean. Whoever has the fastest time wins.
Come on, Shadow. This one's ours.
You got this, girl! Go,
Zoe! Faster, girl. Come on, Shadow.
Thank you, Ryder. The time was 59.01 with a total of 4 falls.
Well, I guess you get your chance. Good luck getting over that last fence.
Hey, it's okay. Don't let her get in your head.
What happened to you, Bradley? You used to be so cool.
I know, right? Man, I'm glad I got past that.
Well, at least I'm not pretending to be someone I'm not.
You know what? You're absolutely right. Come on, Tux. Let's show him what a one-eared horse can do.
And finally, give it up for our last rider of the day, number 235, Mandy Renner.
Come on, Mandy, you can do this.
Did you do this?
Okay, buddy. This is it. Let's pick it up. You can do it. Come on, buddy.
She's hauling the mail.
Come on. Push it, boy.
Yes. Okay, we're good. We're good. We're good.
Leg. Sit into it. It's okay, bud. Keep going. Woo! Here we go. You can do it.
Yes.
Come on. 2 more. Come on, buddy. That's it, baby. Ride. Almost there.
Mandy, you can do it.
Too high. Too high.
No.
Yes, I knew it.
That's it.
Okay, it's not worth getting hurt. Come on. It's okay. You were right. I was asking too much.
No. No, she can do this.
Jack, it's over.
Doesn't matter. Mandy, you can do this. Give it one more try.
Come on, Mandy.
Come on, Mandy, you can do this. Finish strong. No regrets.
It's all right, Mandy. He can do it.
Mandy, 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 Mandy,
What?
Mandy, Mandy,
Mandy,
Mandy,
Mandy.
Mandy, Mandy, Mandy,
Okay. What do you say, Tuck? You want to try it again? For us.
That's it. That's it.
Come on, bud. Let's make it count. Come on, sweetheart. You gotta believe. Good boy.
You did it! Oh, congratulations. You did it, kiddo. I'm proud of you.
You did it! Oh!
We did it.
And the first place in jumpers goes to number 246, Zoe Holloway.
Hey, Zoe. Congratulations. You too.
And in second place, number 235, Mandy Renner.
Not bad for a rookie.
Oh, I think she likes it.
I think she likes more than that.
Hey, congratulations. We met Tux on adoption day. Is he still available by chance?
I'm sorry, but this one's already spoken for.
Well, congrats, huh?
Congratulations. All right, everyone get in for a picture. Closer, closer. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Cheese.
Is he really mine?
I think you belong to each other now.
Thank you. Thank you. Hey, Dad, what do you want for dinner?